Welcome back to my channel, 30 Second Beauty. This little thing is the Pop Sonic. I can't tell you enough how much I adore this. So I saw this on QVC and I was like, wow, this is amazing. And then I looked at the price. This is not amazing anymore. I found out that they came out with a new one that has a bunch more vibrating levels. This one I think only has 9 levels and the newer one has 15. New one holds a charge a lot longer. However, you only really need to charge this about once a year, maybe twice a year, depending on how long you're using it. So it's really not that big of a deal. It's about $100 less. I just went on Google and I was like, Pop Sonic, and it was right there on Google for like 40 bucks. If you want the leaf bud, it is way smaller than this. It's a travel size and it only has 1 vibration level, but I only ever use when I turn it on and then I just go. It cleans my face, so I use it with my cleanser. It takes off my makeup in like 30 seconds. It's super gentle. I use it in the shower to do exfoliation on my feet and my arms. So I used to have all these bumps on my arms and now I don't because of this fantastic thing to clean your makeup brushes. Because I cleaned all my brushes in less than 5 minutes. It was within a commercial while I was watching TV. You could see all the makeup fall off into the sink. So I've actually started washing my makeup brushes so much more often, which is fantastic. I don't have to get eye infections anymore. It also doesn't absorb any product, so you're actually using everything that you bought. It's also made out of, I think, silicone, so it's antibacterial. So I don't even need to wash it after I use it. Are you understanding what I'm saying? This is revolutionary.